ChatGPT for beginners, leveraging AI in affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing has become a popular avenue for individuals to earn income online. The ability to leverage artificial intelligence, AI, technology, such as ChatGPT, has further enhanced the effectiveness and efficiency of affiliate marketing strategies. In this video, we will explore how beginners can utilize ChatGPT to optimize their affiliate marketing efforts. From understanding the basics of AI to implementing AI-powered solutions, we will delve into the world of AI and its application in the affiliate marketing landscape. 1. What is ChatGPT? Before diving into its application, let's understand what ChatGPT is. ChatGPT is an advanced language model powered by AI, specifically developed to engage in conversational interactions. It is designed to generate human-like responses based on the input provided. With its ability to understand context, ChatGPT can simulate conversations and provide valuable insights, making it a valuable tool for affiliate marketers. 2. Enhancing affiliate marketing research. One of the key areas where ChatGPT proves beneficial is in affiliate marketing research. By utilizing ChatGPT, beginners can gather valuable information about potential niches, target audiences, and market trends. Engaging in simulated conversations with ChatGPT allows marketers to brainstorm ideas, validate concepts, and gain a deeper understanding of their target market's needs and preferences. 3. Content creation and optimization. Compelling content is essential for successful affiliate marketing. ChatGPT can assist beginners in creating high-quality content that resonates with their audience. By generating conversational prompts and leveraging the natural language processing capabilities of ChatGPT, marketers can craft engaging articles, blog posts, and social media content. Additionally, ChatGPT can provide suggestions for optimizing content based on SEO best practices, ensuring that the content reaches a wider audience. 4. Personalized customer engagement. Building strong relationships with customers is crucial in affiliate marketing. ChatGPT enables marketers to engage with their audience on a more personalized level. By incorporating ChatGPT into chatbots or customer support systems, marketers can provide instant responses to inquiries, offer tailored recommendations, and address customer concerns. This level of personalized engagement can significantly enhance customer satisfaction and increase conversion rates. 5. Data analysis and decision-making. Analyzing data is vital for optimizing affiliate marketing campaigns. ChatGPT can assist beginners in interpreting data and making informed decisions. By feeding data into ChatGPT, marketers can gain valuable insights into consumer behavior, identify patterns, and uncover hidden opportunities. This data-driven approach enables marketers to refine their strategies, target the right audience, and allocate resources effectively. 6. Automating repetitive tasks. Affiliate marketing involves various repetitive tasks, such as social media posting, content scheduling, and email outreach. Leveraging ChatGPT, beginners can automate these tasks, saving time and effort. ChatGPT can generate social media captions, schedule content based on optimal times, and even draft personalized email templates. By automating these routine tasks, marketers can focus on more strategic activities, such as building partnerships and expanding their affiliate network. Incorporating AI technology like ChatGPT into affiliate marketing can revolutionize the way beginners approach their online businesses. From conducting research and creating optimized content to engaging with customers on a personalized level and automating repetitive tasks, the potential applications of ChatGPT are vast. As beginners embark on their affiliate marketing journey, embracing AI and leveraging tools like ChatGPT can provide them with a competitive edge and drive their success in the ever-evolving digital landscape. Click the link in the description below to begin with a company that teaches you to use ChatGPT in your marketing production. Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment.